To fix an F6 error code on a Whirlpool microwave, it's essential to understand what this error indicates. The appliance is unable to execute a certain function due to a problem with the MW relay. Common causes of this error include a faulty relay control board, bad wiring, or short circuits. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the microwave's power. Switch off the circuit breakers. Turn them back on, and check if the error code has disappeared and the appliance is working. Next, inspect the relay 4903 cable by unplugging the microwave and verifying that its contact is properly welded shut. Then, replace all the microwave ports and plug it back in. Additionally, use a multimeter to test each switch for continuity to check for short circuits. If any switches lack continuity, try unplugging other high-power appliances from the same circuit and attempt to use the microwave again. By following these steps, the F6 error code should be resolved, and the microwave should be operational once more.